it's me Jade, and welcome back to another Japanese lesson. Today we're going to look at how we make formal positive sentences negative. Let's jump into it. Okay, so by now we should know the basic formula for a Japanese sentence. X wa y desu. X is or regarding X it is, Y desu. And the des part makes it polite. To create a negative sentence where you're saying something is not something, we're just going to replace des with ja arimasen. Ja arimasen.
Although stay tuned to see what I say nowadays instead.
Ja is a contraction of the words dewa arimasen, ja arimasen. Let's look at an example sentence. Jade wa America jin desu. Jade, me. Jade wa, regarding Jade, or Jade is, America jin desu, an American person. Jade is American. Is that true? No, it's not. I'm British. I'm from England. So I want to change that sentence to Jade is not American. Jade wa America jin ja arimasen. Jade wa America jin de wa arimasen. De wa arimasen would be the full formal written version. Ja arimasen is the more casual but still polite contracted version. So the only thing I did to change the sentence from Jade is American to Jade is not American is change desu to ja arimasen. Jade wa America jin desu. Jade wa America jin ja arimasen. However, as I said in a previous video, ja arimasen is how I originally learnt the phrase in Japanese. And then when I was in Japan, I never heard it used. And after a while, I stopped using it. So it's good to know. It's definitely useful to have in your vocabulary. However, instead of de wa arimasen or ja arimasen, I recommend learning janai desu. Jade wa America jin janai desu. So we still have des at the end, but think of janai as the not part in English. Jade is not American. Jade wa America jin janai desu. It's still polite, it's just not as formal sounding as ja arimasen. Let's use another sentence. Yamada-san wa gakusei ja arimasen. Yamada-san wa gakusei ja arimasen. Yamada-san, Mr. Yamada, wa, is, gakusei, student, ja arimasen, not. Mr. Yamada is student not, is literally how that comes across. If we make it into the more casual negation, janai, Yamada-san wa gakusei janai desu. Now, this works if you are making negative sentences about nouns. So, student is a noun. Student janai desu, not a student. Student ja arimasen, not a student. American is an adjective. However, in Japanese, they are saying American person. Jin means person. America jin, a person from America. An American person. So, it's a noun in Japanese, not an American person. America jin janai desu. America jin ja arimasen. I'm going to do a whole different lesson on adjectives at a future time. So, this lesson went on for longer than I expected it to. I hope everything's clear. If it's not, I trust you'll let me know in the comments down below. Give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy it and you learned something new, and subscribe to see more. See you in the next video, guys. Bye! Mwah!